As you can see, it's fucking raining and it's crazy out here. What a way to spend Halloween when it's freaking raining. I can't believe this. I didn't think it was actually ever gonna rain. I would never. Terrence, do you ever think it was gonna rain?
It's bullshit.
I know it's bullshit. And here we go, walking back to Melody's house, and woo, it's cold. Of course, I'm wearing this crazy outfit of the hippies. And, all right. So I'm on my way running back to the house, and woo, it is freaking raining and stuff. And I was about to see some naked ladies, but of course that didn't happen. Cops are there and all that stuff. So, all right, see you guys later. Woohoo!